Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Discord for community engagement, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the Discord application on your device. Next, either create a new server or select an existing server from your list. To create a new server, click the plus icon on the left side of the screen. Follow the prompts to set up your server's name and region. Once your server is ready, click on the server name at the top left corner. Select the Server Settings option from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Roles section. Create specific roles for your community by clicking the Create Role button. Assign permissions to each role based on the responsibilities you want them to have. Ensure that you have roles for moderators, members, and any special groups relevant to your community. Next, go to the Channels section in the Server Settings. Create channels for discussions, announcements, and events. Label these channels clearly to help members navigate easily. Consider setting up a welcome channel with rules and guidelines for new members. Now, return to the server settings and click on Moderation. Adjust the moderation level to manage spam and ensure a positive environment. Enable the verification level to determine who can send messages in your server. To foster engagement, consider creating a suggestions channel. Promote open communication by encouraging members to share ideas there. Next, configure integration features for community building tools. Link your server to social media platforms or bots that enhance functionality. Bots can help with moderation, announcements, and engagement activities. Now, plan and schedule regular events or game nights to encourage participation. Use the Events feature to create and promote these community gatherings. Inform members about upcoming events through announcements and pinned messages. Finally, continuously engage with your community by asking for feedback. Adjust settings and features as needed to improve the overall experience. With these steps, you can successfully configure Discord for community engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.